we're dealing with architecture, urban design, the built environment. This is the issue for us, and for me especially, is that it's not, we think of drawing as a manual skill, the hand and the eye. But it involves seeing and thinking. Most critically, how do we convey three-dimensional information on a two-dimensional surface? So when we're drawing on paper, we're drawing on a two-dimensional surface. Even if we model it on the computer, the monitor itself is two-dimensional. So the three dimensions we see is pure illusion. They're all just visual illusions. So even as we rotate the model on the computer, it's illusionary. Okay? So this is the problem we face. Whether we draw by hand or on the computer, how do we adequately convey three-dimensional information on a two-dimensional surface? And of course, we then have drawing as a language. Of course, in the old days, when I was going to school, it was sort of plan, section, elevations, and then finally the perspective view. Today, with the computer, we tend to start with the perceptual views, perspective views, and then we may end up cutting sections and plans. So it's the reverse. But it's nevertheless, it's conveying three-dimensional information on a two-dimensional surface. I started drawing simply to communicate ideas and information. So you can see the drawings on the left are done by hand, pencil, on paper. And on the right, I'm using the same ideas, diagrammatic ideas, but now I'm using a computer. But the same intentions occur. So in this case, I draw, you see, and you interpret. So that's the mode of communication. The advantage of a computer, I've found, is the ability, the greatest thing for me in publishing these texts is the undo, duplicate and move, save as. Those are the issues that are really advantageous for me. But I treat the digital world the same way I treat the manual world. I still do the same, approach the information the same way. Again, you can see the hand drawings on the left, the more complex drawings on the right. But again, simply conveying information.